2007 Chevy Tahoe with 5.3 liter V8 engine. We have code P0523, and also the gauge here, the oil gauge, is stuck at 0 while the engine is running. It could be mechanical or electrical. In many cases it's electrical when you have that number or that code P0523. As long as you don't hear engine tapping or any sort of noise coming out of the engine while this code is present. Also, you could go the extra mile and you could go check the oil pressure with the mechanical gauge and see if you have enough oil pressure in the engine. However, we have it 0 here. Usually it's unusual to have the oil pressure gauge at 0. So the problem is on this particular car, which is already changed, it's the oil pressure sensor here. This is send the signal to the ECU or the PCM, telling the computer how much how much pressure you have, how much oil pressure exists in the engine at any time. Right now we're giving it 0. So this is the problem. Most of the time this is the problem. You could change this and the filter. I did change this with the filter. It has a oil pressure sender filter too. I changed both. I order Dorman because they have him. They sell them both. They sell the filter, which is, let me show you. Here's the filter. This is the filter, and this is the switch. They come together. This is the part number. It's 926040. They come as a package together. In order to change this filter, I use 8mm 1.25 bolt. Let me show you 1 second. This is the filter, and this is the screw I used to remove it. It's 8mm by 1.25, and you could screw it in nice and easy like this, and you could just pull it. It comes out easy. When you put the new one in, make sure you don't need the screw. You could just screw it in, put it in with your finger. Just make sure you grease this, or you just put some oil on the o-ring here, just to speed up or to make the process go smooth. And the tools you're gonna need, I use this socket here. This is already made for oil pressure switch for many cars. It's 1/116. You could use the regular socket, but I like to use this one. It's more safe. It comes exactly, it fits exact size. The switch, you can see it here. It fits nice and easy. Alright, this is the socket, or you could use, they have this kind too. I have both. It's very comfortable. I'm kind of comfortable to use those. Also, you need this extension, and you need a ratchet. Right? You don't have to force it. It comes out nice and easy, and when you torque it, just torque it very slightly. It has already a tread lock on it, and the new one. It's located on the driver's side of the rear engine. The driver's side, all the way at the back of the engine, close to the firewall. I'm gonna show you in a minute where is it exactly. I already changed it, so just make sure you just take your time while you're taking it off. And again, I'm reminding you to change the filter with it. You don't have to, but I would recommend changing with the filter. That's why I order Dorman part. It comes with it. You could use any other part you want. It's your choice. 926040. Again, it comes with the switch and the filter. I'm gonna show you where it's located right now on the car. Okay, you just have to move this cover here, lift this up, like this, and you just pull it out. It comes nice and easy. Let me see if I could locate the switch for you. Put some light here. But hopefully you can see the switch. Hold on one second. Okay, this is the driver's side. Here's the alternator. Go all the way back, and it's right there. That little silver thing is shiny right there. Do you see the switch? Under that sponge. Hopefully you can see it. It's right there. All right. Okay, good luck. It's already changed, and it's working. Let's check the pressure. You can see it moves up to 40. Job is done. Thank you for watching.